We'll guide you through how to disable Copilot in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once you're in, go to the Extensions tab on the left sidebar. You might see a small icon that looks like a square with 4 squares inside it. Click on that to open your extensions list. In the search bar at the top of this panel, type GitHub Copilot. You should see a list of extensions, including GitHub Copilot. Click on it to open the extension details page. Now, look for a small gear icon next to the Uninstall button. Click on this gear icon to access the extension settings. A menu will pop up, and you need to select Disable from the list. This will effectively turn off Copilot in VS Code. If you're looking to disable Copilot for a specific language or project, you can go into the settings.json file by searching for settings in the command palette, which you can open by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P. Once there, you can specify languages or projects where you want Copilot to be disabled by adding the appropriate configuration. This gives you more control over when and where Copilot is active. Remember, you can always re-enable Copilot by following these steps and selecting Enable instead. It's that easy to manage your extensions in VS Code. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.